just be. Indie pop, well, she just found a chicken. And we found a sweet place to rest our feet. With honey bird, there ain't nothing missing. Hazel eyes, the most beautiful red I've seen. And this is home. Spending time here in these islands, and it seems the whole wide world has gone crazy. So take my hand, let's walk this together, and teach our little man the best we see. 'Cause baby, the wind is blowing, and there ain't no other place I'd rather be. And the windows mean nothing, but it's blown me here with you. Oh, and it can blow until it's through. 'Cause baby, the wind is blowing, and there ain't no other place I'd rather be. And this is home. Oh.
Cave days are gone, we'll be blind no more. Don't let us down, we have it all, we have it all. Chains on the floor, leave behind the show. Don't let us down, we have it all, we have it all. Time to wake up, go stop bravely. We're gonna bring it on, gonna do it.
time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shouts and kicks in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, 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 on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses.